TikTok account which has got $50. It's a Zambian TikTok account, and this guy made this money by simply going live. So I'm going to help him withdraw it via PayPal, and this is 2025 July the 10th. So all I'm going to do is click on live, on view I mean. Okay, I'm going to click on the balance again, then I'm simply going to click on withdraw. So to withdraw, all I need to do is add a payment method. So I'll click on add payment method here, then click on open. So I'm going to choose PayPal. Okay, as you can see, the country or region is Zambia. Then I'm going to choose PayPal here. Okay, now I have to confirm what I'm doing. I'm just enter in this code. Hello.
Sorry, my network is kind of bad, my internet. So let me just put straight out.
Okay, yeah, you can.
46.
Okay.
43.
Alright. Okay, so I'm now adding the PayPal account. Okay, so I'm going to click on agree and connect. Okay, so the payment method has been added, and now we can proceed and withdraw. So I'm going to withdraw everything, which is $50.54, and I'll click on withdraw, and there's a fee of 0.76 USD, so I'm going to receive 49.78 USD. I'll confirm. Okay, so I know it's saying 1 day, but it's usually instant, so I should be able to receive within a minute or two. Yeah, should be able to receive this money right now. So let me just check my email. Actually, that's actually taking like a minute. I was right. Yeah, it's usually this instant. So let me just show you on my other phone that the money has actually come. So here is the email. We're saying your funds of 49.78 has finally come into my account. Yep, this is how you withdraw money from TikTok, and this is how it works via PayPal. So now the next step is to withdraw this money into my mobile money, to probably be another video.